Hi everyone, we in Balibago now 10 p.m. It's Friday, so many people, and I want to ask Shaira why she not in the video, and she will explain to you.
Hi everyone, good evening, and I will gonna answer what Leon and our subscriber were asking why I'm not in video always. The answer is you can see me in another video in Philippine Unfiltered, but in our original channel in It's My Life Philippines, I'm not already take some video there because it's for walking street or walking street only, Philippines Avenue only. But if you want to see me in a video, you can watch our second account, the Philippine Unfiltered.
So you already know why Shaira not in the video. And most of the talking video only in Philippine Unfiltered. It's My Life Philippines is channel only for now, for walking in Balibago. But Philippine Unfiltered channel, I can walk, we can walk with Shaira, we ride motor, going somewhere. But It's My Life Philippines, you can watch who like Balibago, Fields Avenue, and not walking street. I not come back to the walking street. I see so many our subscribers they asking, Leon, why you not go to walking street? I don't want. Even now not so strict, even active, not asking, and even in front of Phyllis don't have barangay people. I don't want go to Red Street. It's just I don't like. Okay, thank you in advance for watching and continue watch. Who don't like It's My Life Philippines, please unsubscribe. Who like, you can subscribe also to our new channel, Philippine Unfiltered. Thank you.
you take all this video?
Hi, sir. Morning, sir.